Assalamu alaikum. My name is Israt Jahan Rabeya. I am a second year student of Department of Physics at University of Borishal. First of all, I would like to thank MD Sabir Hussain sir for creating such a platform for beginners like us who are interested in research. Previously, I was interested in research and I wanted to learn more about it, but unfortunately, I had no idea how to become a researcher or what research truly means. But then I got to know about the platform Gobeshok Hote Chai Be Researcher BD, and I started to follow the lecture series on how to become a researcher. This lecture series helped me a lot to understand from the very beginning of research and the way to becoming a researcher. I also want to thank Mahmoud Al Hassan Moon sir for his very interesting, engaging and knowledgeable lectures on Python for Research multidisciplinary course. Python is a well-known popular programming language for research, and from this lecture series I get so many information and knowledge, and it was very helpful for me. Once again, I want to thank our honorable teachers for arranging such an effective and timeliness free courses. I am really interested to learn about this course and I am hoping to be in the live classes. Thank you.